Understanding, it's a tie. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, it's a tie. This is a common English expression, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use it. The phrase, it's a tie, has its roots in competitive settings, especially sports. Originally, a tie referred to two teams or individuals having the same score or result, meaning neither was declared the winner. Think of it as two people crossing a finish line at the exact same time. Over time, the phrase has expanded beyond just sports. Today, it's a tie can be used in various contexts where there is no clear winner or outcome. Here are some examples. 1. Decision-making. If a group is voting and the votes are evenly split, someone might exclaim, it's a tie. 2. Games. Whether you're playing cards, board games, or video games, if players end with the same score, you can declare, it's a tie. 3. Opinions. If two options or opinions are equally popular or well received, you might hear someone say, it looks like it's a tie. Now that you understand the concept, let's see how to incorporate this phrase into sentences. 1. After counting the votes for our favorite movie, we realized it's a tie between movie A and movie B. 2. Even after the extra time in the soccer match, the score was 2-2. It was clear that it's a tie. 3. I asked the class whether they wanted a test or a project, and believe it or not, it's a tie. And there you have it. Now you know the meaning, origin, and usage of the phrase, it's a tie. The next time you encounter a situation where there's no clear winner, you'll know exactly what to say. I hope this video has been informative, and I can't wait to see you in our next lesson. Happy learning!